Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're kicking off something brand new today. Weekly science and tech updates that'll leave you amazed and curious. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Researchers have just published a paper suggesting that about 930,000 years ago, humanity was on the brink of extinction. According to the study, there were only around 1,280 breeding individuals left. That's right. The entire current human population can be traced back to these few ancestors. The study points to a severe bottleneck that lasted roughly 117,000 years. During this time, glaciation events and climate changes wiped out nearly 99% of the human population. The researchers used a new computational model called the fast infinitesimal time coalescent process to make these claims. Those are a lot of words, but imagine you have a big jigsaw puzzle that shows a picture of a family tree, but many pieces are missing. Scientists used a special computer program, like a magic magnifying glass, to look really closely at the pieces they do have. This helps them guess what the missing pieces might look like and how the whole family tree fits together. This special computer program is called the fast infinitesimal time coalescent process, and it helps them figure out how many people were in the human family a very, very long time ago. But hold on, not everyone's buying it. Critics argue this hypothesis doesn't align with existing archaeological and fossil evidence. Some even question the accuracy of the computational model used in the study. If true, this bottleneck could explain gaps in the African-Eurasian fossil record and might have even played a role in differentiating modern humans from Neanderthals and Denisovans. It also raises questions about how these ancestors survived such catastrophic climate changes. So what do you think? Are we all descendants of a small group that narrowly escaped extinction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Next up, we've got some groundbreaking news about Stonehenge, that iconic circle of stones in England that has puzzled scientists and tourists alike for centuries. A team of researchers from Aberystwyth University in the UK has just turned a 100-year-old theory on its head. You see, Stonehenge is made up of different kinds of stones. The smaller ones, called blue stones, usually come from 140 miles away in West Wales. But there's this one special stone, known as the altar stone, that's different from the rest. For a long time, people thought it came from the same place as the other blue stones. But guess what? New research says that's probably not true. The scientists did all sorts of cool tests on the altar stone, like looking at it under special microscopes and even checking its chemical makeup. They found that this stone has something the others don't, a high amount of barium. This unique feature makes them think that the altar stone might come from somewhere entirely different, maybe even much further away. So why is this a big deal? Well, it means we might have to start looking for the altar stone's real home, and it could tell us more about why Stonehenge was built in the first place. Was it a sacred place for healing, a burial ground, or maybe even a spot for ancient parties? And you know what's even more amazing? Some of these stones weigh up to 55 tons and were moved from places really far away. That's like carrying an elephant for miles and miles. It makes you wonder how and why people from so long ago went through all that trouble. So, what do you think? Where did the altar stone really come from, and what secrets does it hold? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. For our final piece today, let's dive into the intriguing hunt for a ninth planet in our solar system. Two theoretical physicists, Harsh Mathur and Catherine Brown, are suggesting that what we thought was a ninth planet might actually be something else entirely. You see, there's this idea called modified Newtonian dynamics, or MOND for short. It's a theory that tweaks the laws of gravity we all learned from Isaac Newton. MOND is usually used to understand how galaxies rotate, but these researchers thought, hey, what if MOND affects our solar system too? So, they took a closer look at some strange movements of objects way out in the outer solar system that suggested a ninth planet might be out there. But Mathur and Brown found that MOND could actually explain these orbits just as well as a ninth planet could. However, they aren't necessarily saying there's no planet out there. What they are saying is that the strange orbits of things in the outer solar system, which some people thought were caused by a ninth planet, could also be explained by modified Newtonian dynamics. In simpler terms, Imagine you hear a noise in your backyard. You might think it's a cat because you've seen cats there before. But then someone else says, hey, it could also be a raccoon because raccoons make similar noises. Now you have two possible explanations for the noise. It could be a cat or it could be a raccoon. Neither is ruled out. You just have more than one possibility to consider. So, in the case of the ninth planet, the weird orbits could be due to a ninth planet's gravitational pull, or they could be due to the effects of Mond, altering how gravity works in that part of the solar system. Both are possibilities, and more research is needed to determine which is correct. Maybe these odd orbits are telling us something important about gravity itself, not just hinting at a hidden planet. So whether you're Team Planet 9 or Team Mond, one thing's for sure. Our outer solar system is like a cosmic playground for scientists, a place where they can test out big ideas about gravity and the universe. That's it for this week. If you're enjoying these science updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep questioning the cosmos.